just put the camera on. What we thought was like a blackbird or something in there. The
From a
jay,
distance, and it's a nice low one.
aye, the jay just blasted out and it's such a squawk as it went.
This is what we've been looking for, nice easy low
Aye.
jays.
Look at it.
It
It looks quite flimsy, the nest, doesn't it? But I bet it'll look substantial from the inside.
only a good 6 foot off the ground.
Aye, and get the camera over the top of that quite easy. I'm just adjusting there. I nearly got you on camera there when I was trying to catch the jay.
Give us a canny fright actually.
It just
jumped off.
just blasted out and squawked.
Oh, I'm going to try and film it like sitting there. But
Aye. Quite a shy bird. I'm surprised it sat there as long as what it did. I'm going to tilt that back a bit more.
well, that'd be because Jamie on it.
Aye, I can hear magpies doing that now. Bunch of eggs.
Aye, can you just get. Aye. I can see at least 4. It's tiny on the little screen like that.
Aye, I'm going to lift the GoPro over the top of the nest properly. Because I can't, it's like quite low. Just in case these aren't showing up properly.
Aye, but a good bunch of eggs on here.
Ah, look, that's a good one. Oh.